Right, so we're going to dig into now. We've added a contact. You can add a contact if you go to the contact list and add a contact, just like we did with deals. Same information again. Whatever information you've got, you can add. Whatever your company decides must be entered. You've got your procedures. You can go in and add emails. I can quickly add to@camdennews.com. Right, whatever it is. Add a phone number, mobile, department, if you want to add a department. You can see there's a deal attached to this person. You can see the deal over here. You can see an account name, lead source and things like that. You can edit and change. You can change phone numbers. You have date of birth. It sounds a bit personal, but if you want your system to flag someone's birthday and you want to drop them a message near their birthday saying, hey, we went out for a beer, or happy birthday, anything like that. Skype information, Twitter information if you want to follow them and keep a track of what they're up to. Any notes have come across, any accounting information comes across. Any deals in the system, open, close, won, lost, whatever they are in there. Any previous tasks, any open tasks for TO, events, emails. If you've sent them an email at this point, you could send an email. I'm not going to, just in case, by some amazing fact that there is a TO@camdennews.com. So if I send any emails, it's going to tag it there. And social media, you can connect social media, Facebook and Twitter profiles, so you can keep an eye on those people. That sounds bad. You can, an hour or so before you go to meet them, just click on their Twitter. Click on their Twitter, and it's not set up right. It's gonna. If you're connected to Twitter, you can link the profile, and you can quickly in here view the Twitter feed. So we know Tio plays football or soccer, and it might say, won 3-0 against so and so at the weekend. I scored. So then the next time you see him, or when you're about to deliver, hey, I see that you played against so and so other day. You scored, didn't you? Right? And they go, oh, how did you know that? Add any notes of any call that you've had. Wife's called Sarah, got 2 kids. Whatever that is. Kids are into swimming. Whatever it might be, you can add it all, and you've got all this information now for the next 50 years or whatever. So everything that you need to know about a contact is at your fingertips, and you can track it and tag it whenever you need, right?